popping YouTube, so we're gonna get right into it. So I already have my hair into a ponytail, and I got the Sherilyn wig in the color 3C Irish Coffee. So I wanted to try this color out because I wanted to make a human hair wig out, but I wanted to, you know, try synthetic out first before I be spending some, you know, real coins on a wig, and I don't even like the color. So, you know, of course it comes with your regular packaging. It comes with a care card with other colors on the bag, you know, the normal. Comes with the nets. This is, I've been seeing a lot of reviews on, you know, the reverse ombre, but I'm not too sure about this, but we're gonna see. So if you guys see me looking up here, I have my camera and I'm looking at the view of the camera from up there. But yeah, so I'm gonna get my scissors and just snip this off. We ain't even gonna play with it today. So like I stated, this is how the wig looks on the care card, and I got this one right here. So let's just place it on the head. First, I want to get my wig cap. This is just an old wig cap that I have. Please don't talk about my wig cap in the comments, guys. It already has makeup on it because I use this care cap a lot. Ooh. Damn, this wig seems like it's not big head friendly. I'm just gonna take the straps out because I don't even be wearing the straps. So, and I have a big head, so I don't think this one is big hair friendly. But maybe if I had my hair braided down, it would be a little bit better. But let's see. I do like the color of the lace though. So, y'all, look at this. Now let me stop. So, let's see what we can do with this synthetic wig. To make it look a little bit, like I said, I just wanted to try this out because I wanted to do this color on human hair. So let's pull some of these hairs out right Okay. Okay, Outre. Okay, Outre out here doing a thing. This part, it's not gonna cover my edges on the side. I already know, because the way that my hairline comes out, it's not gonna cover my edges. Like, let's see if we can pull this just a little bit right here. Doing anything with the little hairline. Let me cut this little piece. It's not gonna go all the way down for me, guys, because really, in all honesty, like I stated, this hair is not big head friendly, so that part ain't gonna stay down for me, which is fine, because I ain't even trying to show all that anyways. We just mainly focusing on this up here. So let's try to get this flat. This is how I get my human hair wigs flat. I don't use a hot comb. I literally just go over it with low heat. So let's spray some of this. Okay. Now in the front, I do want a few baby hairs, y'all. Y'all already know how I am about my baby hairs. We just gonna do a few though. So I'm gonna take this type of brush and let's just comb these curls out to see how this looks. This how much that I got off of this side, which is a pretty decent amount. I like to comb mine out. I like big flowy curls. So I'm gonna take my other brush and start from the bottom and just keep brushing. Then I'm gonna take this and brush this back. But I got a pretty good amount off of that. But some of that could be from me cutting the ear tab. But I know that this is gonna shed because it is 613. Face pot. I'm just gonna use my Fenty bronzer and just put some in the parting space. This parting space is pretty long. I'm trying to look at my big mirror and see how this looks. Try to get all these flyaways. So this is my end result. I like the color. I like the thought that they were trying to do with the wig. But I don't like the curls. I don't like the curls of the hair. I just think that the curls should have been more uniform. I don't like that you have to do so much to the wig. The baby hairs look weird, so you have to go in and customize those. I don't think this is just a throw on and go wig, really, in all honesty. The color is nice though, and I like what they were trying to do with the wig, but I don't like the actual wig. Well, maybe in this color, but it looks nice once you know, do everything you need to do to it. It's not big hair friendly. You guys seen the struggle, and I can feel the tracks. So I'm gonna comb it to the back. I don't know how it looks back there, but probably looks a mess because I can feel the tracks, so I can only imagine how it looks. But like I said, I like the thought of the wig. Now, I don't know how other colors in this wig will look, but once you get it, to be like how you want it to be. The wig can be nice unless, but Outre, they did their thing. I like the lace. I like the color of the lace. It matches me well. But if you're a lighter complexion, this lace is not going to match you. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Next time.